Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. If your Play Store is not working, it is not downloading the apps or it is not working, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will able to learn how you can solve the Play Store problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro, and you will able to download and use the Play Store again. Let's watch the video.